Welcome back. In this lecture, let's learn to convert CSV format into JSON format. I have a dataset called employees.csv, which is in comma delimited. Let's convert this dataset into JSON. Let's design a code. Transform CSV to JSON. Let's import a CSV package. Let us also import JSON package. Let's define a method def CSV underscore JSON. Let's create an empty dictionary first. Data is equal to empty dictionary. Now let's read a file with open. Let's define a file name. Let us also define the encoding property. Encoding is equal to UTF-8. As file. File underscore CSV is equal to CSV dot dictrator file. Let's print the data set for row in file underscore CSV print row. We have to call the method CSV underscore JSON. We got the data in dictionary format. Let's have employee ID as a key. Let's say key is equal to row of employee ID, data of key is equal to row. Let's print the data. We got employee ID as a header tag. Now let's convert this data into JSON format. Let's open a file with open. Let's generate the file in this particular path. Let's name it as employees.json. Operation is write. Encoding property is UTF-8. As file underscore JSON. Now let's write the data. File underscore JSON dot write JSON dot dumps of data. Code is successful. We got a file generated. Data has been converted into JSON format. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.